did a lot of cleaning, and I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the results. So here's the back of the car. Hello, Molly. You can kind of see in there. What you doing? And then I want to show you guys some of my art projects I'm working on the front of the car in a minute. Here's one like I did of flower that's on my windshield right now from when I was cleaning. I was just kind of messing around, and I'm gonna cover half with one color and see how that goes, and do the other color. I'll end up doing another completely different color on top, but that's just like the first coat. I found this license plate, and this matches it in the color scheme, so I'm thinking about gluing the floral stuff to it, and then there's a mount in the back so you can hang it. Then these are vintage markers. We're gonna open them up later and see how they work. And these are pictures that I found. They were sitting in a dumpster inside, like somebody had left them at Staples for too long, maybe. It's like the only thing I could think of, or I don't even know, but they were really cool, so I took them. They were gonna be in a landfill, so I figured, why not? Like, look, it's crazy. Or at least for the lulz, for entertainment. Yeah, going through these. They're pretty cool, actually. I was gonna make some found art with them. I like this picture. There's a few in here that are very cool, and they're all in this like laminate. I want to find out what this is, because it kind of says on the back, road next to Dunbars. So I want to see if I can find this, or if it's like in the area. That would be cool to go and take a picture there. And this one's really, like, I can't believe those were in the trash. This picture is really cool, and I want to make something cool with it. So I don't know, what do you guys think?